lighting her up. So, the morning has arrived. Good morning, sunshine.
How are you?
I'm ready for the day. Let's go. Light trimming.
Yo. Right, so you probably won't realise this, but this week I've been celebrating my 40th birthday.
Yep.
And we are a long way away from the Garage of Dreams. We're on a caravan site.
The 8 Mile. I don't know if you'll be able to see this in the background.
We've got Jesse Pinkman and Walter White just over there.
Yeah. Cooking up.
Rabbit over there.
B-Rabbit.
B-Rabbit. Oh yeah, he's on bricks. And I've dragged the Asbo with us. And we're heading to Cadwell Park. We're about half an hour away from Cadwell Park. And we're going to start lapping and gapping some Porsches today.
Absolutely, 100%. Last time we was here, virtually, they just had lowering springs. It's now got coilovers, cage, brakes, boosty.
Yeah, it was very wet as well last time.
Extremely wet. Today I'll have to keep a brave face on because last time we didn't have a front facing camera and I was a little bit twitchy bum going around Cadwell, but hopefully today, I mean the road's dry now, so I'm hoping the track shouldn't be far off dry.
And the other thing is we've got some of the women, wives, the wags, and even my mum's coming down, so we're going to get their reactions. It should be fun. Should be a good day. It's a little bit wet and greasy now, but by the time we get there and
a few laps,
sun's out,
get a dry line going.
Yeah, there's no rain forecast.
So you've heard it here first anyway. We're going, or Matthew is going to try and break a 145. Now last night I was actually looking at sometimes the top 50 times at Cadwell, and that way, mate. And looking at some of the times on there, I don't see why our Matthew can't pull a 145.
I am actually aiming for a 150, but
but like I said, when I checked the times last night, it just made me think I don't see a reason why on a nice dry day that our Matthew can't pull what he wants today. So here's to try in anyway. So we are 33 minutes.
33 minutes out.
21 miles. Let's start motorway munching.
Yeah, so I've got all quick release mounts now, and then like external battery chargers and stuff. And then that GoPro I can put on the cage, and I don't even have to have the battery in. I can just have it on all the time.
Yeah.
Which means I can.
That's a new one, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a 10. 10 and 11 have got GPS, but the 12 hasn't got GPS built in. So when you've got the GPS built in, you can match it to your draggy.
Right, yeah, you told me that one.
Or the draggy lap. The GoPro's got like wireless connections, it's got voice commands, but you have to switch all that off to save the batteries, otherwise the battery just drains it. Rapid. But obviously now having it plugged in, I can have voice command on.
Yeah.
GoPro, stop recording. Right, we have arrived. Cadwell Park, here we come.
And the sun is absolutely blazing.
Oh, lovely stuff.
Well, bright.
It wasn't too bad of a drive, to be fair, but this guy's been up my arse the whole time in this Fiesta.
I know. These Asbos, mate, can't get rid of them. And we have arrived. Sighting lap done. Asbo. Baguettes. What's happened here, Matthew?
Splitter came loose on the first lap.
Little technical error.
Yeah, the old riv nut flip go.
Only one.
So I'm just
could hear it. We were going round and we're like, what's that? He's like, let me keep driving. And then we went past the
Marshall.
He's like, come in, mate.
That's
Pulls
Marshall
in,
numbers.
and we're got a splitter on the deck.
An active aero.
You found the hole yet, Matthew?
I think it's fucking falling off.
Here's the one that Matty just had a little dust up with around the track, phase 1. He was wondering what's in it. Well, there's no fucking turbo on it, mate, I can assure you. 2 litre 16 valve. This is a nice bit of kit, this. Look at that. Full cage. You're not allowed on the Nurburgring with that seat, mate. Look at that. Absolutely delightful.
340 brake Meglio forged. Look how clean it is as well. Beautiful. Proper setup. Full cage.
Clio crew. Little dinner time break. Baguettes everywhere, mate. Asbo.
She's a real beauty. Let's get one. Let's get two. Matching.
Yeah, of course, twinning.
One Life, Live It, Aerial Atom,
Standard.
Ollins.
J20.
Look at that.
Only colour I never had. Taking it back, way back, like an old friend. Nissan Bluebird, mate, absolutely fresh. Now lean back.
Car park's never as full when the electric bays are empty.
Working the system. Check the rims. Nasty.
Enjoy your evening.
Thank you, buddy. You just been on? Or?
We've been on today, yeah.
Nice one.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice.
Oh, X-Drive as well.
Nice one.
Oh, beauty. Lovely colour combination. Don't hold me to it, but I've got a funny feeling one of these might end up on our channel in the near future. We're sick of seeing them go around the track faster than us. Not on the track, but still. Good old M3 E36. Very clean, mate. And to top it off, got the red seats. Delightful bit of kit. Childhood. Getting dusted. Look at this, buddy. Little caddy. He is rapid. Absolutely rapid. coming round in a second, mate. And there he is. Hey.
How fast do you want to go?
As fast that won't kill us.
Okay.
Your mum is really worrying that we're both in the car together.
I'll go slow. Ready, hold on. You okay? Right, we're back. Johnny Earplug's back with his tinnitus, whatever it's called.
Rough that today, mate. So I forgot my lid, didn't I? And I had to hire one. And this little rascal has been absolutely buzzing through my head all day.
Droning.
Not even just a drone, it was something in the helmet was going.
The padding in the side of the helmet's probably
So
not
I
as
had to
thick
whiz
as
these little bad boys in, didn't I? You know where they come from, buddy.
But we've not actually looked at the videos yet. But we got some reaction videos taking the women out. And I got a 154.79. Not that we were lap timing. So all in all, successful day, no problems. The arches were rubbing a bit because I took some camber out. I took the camber bolts off and started using the camber plates on the top of the new BC coilovers.
They need to come up a little smidge. The front,
because I've got less camber now, it's just rubbing. All the arches were scraping. But apart from that,
yeah, it was a real good day. Very busy on there. With time to wind down now. But yeah, she's done well. Not a single fault all day. In fact, sorry, we did just come here, Matthew. One more wound all day.
yeah, we
got a wee bit hot and we lost them, but we've decided since losing it that
it looks
better without it. So no loss.
Yeah, they actually melted because of the heat.
But yeah, these was getting extremely hot today. Brakes, tyres were on form, especially to the last bit that we did, mate.
Yeah.
The track, there must have been like one other car on the track. We literally had the whole track for about 6 laps, something like that, and then there was a few come on. She did well, bless the girl. So,
right, if you've made it this far,
well
thanks
done.
for watching.
As
Don't forget.
always, tell your mum, tell your nan.
Peace.
Peace.